Hi, I'm Nicole, and in this video we're going to learn all about August's vegetable of the month, tomatoes. Tomatoes grow on vines. They're tall plants that need support. You can see here they're growing in one of our school gardens using string to support them. And the flowers are these cool little yellow star-like flowers that after they get pollinated, mostly by bees, they start to turn into the seed case of the plant, which is the tomato. You can see here some small green tomatoes. Here I've spotted one ripe orange sun gold tomato. Tomatoes take some time to grow and ripen. A gardener needs a lot of patience to wait for that first juicy sweet tomato of the season. I'm really excited to try this one. Tomatoes can be a variety of sizes, colors, shapes, even flavors. We use them in sauce for pizza and pasta. We use them in salads. Tomatoes are used all over the world in all kinds of recipes. Tomatoes are used to make salsa, soups, all kinds of dishes all over the world. Originally, tomatoes grew in Mexico and Central America. Indigenous people found them growing in the wild there and then started to grow them in their gardens and eventually traded and spread tomatoes all around the world, and now people eat them everywhere. My family's from Italy, where tomatoes are used in lots of dishes. I'm going to show you a recipe for one that I think is super yummy and very easy for kids to make. I'm going to make a caprese salad on a toothpick, which means it has tomato, basil, and mozzarella cheese. I'm using grape tomatoes, fresh basil from my garden, and burrata type mozzarella cheese. And I also have toothpicks and a dish to put them on. You can use any kind of mozzarella cheese for this recipe. I'm using what's called a wet mozzarella or burrata type. And so I'm going to need a butter knife and a cutting board to cut it into chunks. And I'm going to make a dipping sauce of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt mixed into this bowl. Once I have my mozzarella cheese cut, I take a toothpick and I spike a tomato, slide that onto my toothpick, followed by a basil leaf, and then a chunk of cheese. And that's it. Now I have a caprese salad on a toothpick, and I can arrange them on a plate and serve them this way. In the bowl, I've put some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt, and then I can give that a little stir and use that as a dip for my salad. And there you have it, a caprese salad on toothpicks. Buon appetito is a way of saying enjoy your meal in Italian.